Today's lesson is on the great blues song, 44 Blues. And the version that we're going to take a look at is Howlin' Wolf's version. A lot of different people have recorded this. Eric Clapton has a good version. Black Crowes have a good version. And it's just numerous artists that have done a good job of this song. But we're going to take a look at Howlin' Wolf's version, which I think was recorded in 1954, and I believe the song was recorded in Memphis, probably at Sun Studio, where Johnny Cash, Elvis Presley, Carl Perkins, and a lot of other people got their start. So we're going to look at, in this first part, we're going to look at the first part is going to be a bass line that's played on the guitar with a lot of distortion on there, and probably on the original recording, because that was back in the day before people used pedals. More than likely they just turned a small amp up real loud and got that sound, but it's a pretty cool sound. So, but what I'm doing today is I'm using a OCD pedal and trying to recreate that same type of sound. So here we go. Here's the guitar playing the bass line that runs through this song. Okay, so what we're doing here, we're in the key of F, which unless they sped that record up, which that would happen back in those days, occasionally they would use the very speed on a tape recorder and speed it up. But the Howlin' Wolf version is in the key of F. So what I'm doing, I'm starting right here on this F note on the 6th string in the 1st fret. I play the note and I hammer on the 6th string in the 3rd fret to the G note. Hammer on and slide it up to the A note in the 5th fret. And right behind that, on the 5th string in the 3rd fret, I'm playing the C note. It's like that. We're going to progress forward. We've done this so far. Next note is the D on the 5th string in the 5th fret. So it's next note is the F on the 4th string in the 3rd fret. So here we go. All right, we're going to move forward. We're back to the D, 5th string, 5th fret. To the C. Then over to the A on the 6th string in the 5th fret. When the chord changes to the B flat, when it goes to the 4 chord, you're going to start on this B flat note and you're going to play B flat to C and slide up to the D. And follow that with this F note right here. So B flat on the 5th string in the 1st fret to the C. The C is on the 5th string in the 3rd fret, and you play it and then you slide it up to the 5th fret. Follow that up with this, the note will be an F, it's on the 4th string in the 3rd fret. Next note is going to be a G, 4th string in the 5th fret. There's your next note, that's a B flat on the 3rd string in the 3rd fret. There's your next note, that is a G, that's on the 4th string in the 5th fret. There's your next note, that's the F, and it's on the 4th string in the 3rd fret. There is your next note, that's the D on the 5th string in the 5th fret. Then it goes back to the F, the chord is an F. You go back to the F note and you play the first positions that I showed you, the first fingerings that I showed you. Then when it goes to the C, the pattern changes a little bit, and the way I approach that, I'll take my middle finger and I'll play this C. Then I'll go to the E flat, slide it up to the E. That's a C. That's on the 3rd string in the 5th fret. Down to a B flat, to the G. To the B flat, when the chord changes to the 4 chord, the B flat. That's a B flat, B flat, C. The C slides up to the D. Follow that up with this is going to be on the 4th string in the 3rd fret. That's an F. Goes to the, that's a flat. That A flat is on the 4th string in the 6th fret. starts over again. You're back to F.